is calm at feeding time, but things can rapidly change. You never know what's gonna happen. Little noise from Dottie Quacker. Little display from Dottie Quackers. And Brad eating out of the container. Oh, yeah. Bye. Show us your ducklings. Show us the ducklings when they come. We want to see the ducklings when they come. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. 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 Bye now. There you have it. Alright, we're gonna end it there. Say goodbye to all your Facebook friends. Bye, Facebook friends. And we'll keep you updated on the progress when the ducks have the babies. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Bye-bye now.